Okay po na, for future purposes, observations din dun sa question. Para may idea kayo for the next candidate, if ever kayo nakasali sa captain. Okay po. So, huwag po muna umalis yung mga schools ko na yung nakasama sa top 10. Salamat po. Ayan, so, sa mga nakapasok sa top 10, palapakay yung sarili natin. Congratulations. So, ito yung okay, so yung numbers na binigay sa inyo, yung sinabi sa inyo yung Benjo, yun yung isusulat nyo sa upper right nung, upper right. Lahat. Yeah, so good afternoon, everyone. Nakita natin yung top 10 natin. Apparently, wala nag-tie. So, hindi natin kailangan tiebreaker. Yeah, so, congratulations for making it this far. So, mahirap ba yung elimination round kanina? Sino mahirapan? Yung literature nata yung medyo mahirap. Mahirap ba yung literature? Oo, mahirap. Sino gumawa? Saan kayo nanatali yan? Saan yung pinakamadali? Oh, math? Math po yung pinakamadali. So, paano yun? Kailangan ba maghirapan? Masirapan pa? Yung math? Oo daw, sabi. Sige. Masirapan na lang yung math. Masirapan na literature. So, start na tayo. Bago tayo mag-start, nakita niyo naman yung tatlong judges natin, diba? So, introduce muna namin sila sa inyo. Kahit naman namin yung iba, sila naman sila, pero for the,
Bakit hindi mo nakakakilala?
So, to introduce our panel of judges, may call on more. Introduce them. Go.
Good afternoon, everyone. Gising pa ba kayo? Talaga? Pati pa! Energy! Final round na, so we are privileged here today because we have here with us our judges. Hello. Let me start by introducing our first member of the panel. She graduated from the University of the Philippines, BA Art Studies, major in Interdisciplinary Studies, namely Political Science and Philosophy. She graduated she took up her secondary education from the Philippine Women's University and her elementary education from Immaculate Conception College of Marinduque. She ranked first in the Civil Service Commission Sub-Professional Examination here in Marinduque, and she was also a member of the Council for Sustainability Inay Christine Tan. Alright, moving on to our second panelist. He graduated from the University of the Philippines, Finland, BA Philosophy cum laude, and a consistent college scholar. He took up 35 units of law from the University of Santo Tomas College of Law, and also took up 36 units in Masters in Educational Management from the Philippine Christian University. He graduated second honorable mention from Santa Cruz Institute in 1989 to 1991, and he also studied in Marcopper High School from 1987 to 1989 with consistent honors. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Mr. Gerald G. R. Kerubin. Last but not the least, we have our Director General in the panel, none other than Mr. Francis L. Nunez. He graduated from Landin National High School as a class valedictorian and now stands as the Vice President for Academics and Research for the University of the Philippines, Moriones. Moreover, he is a Roxanne Unferret of the UP Tau Roxy fraternity. Please welcome, please welcome Francis L. Nunez. Okay guys, so these are the people who will compose our panel of judges for the final round. We wish you good luck, do your best, and God bless.
Tayo mag-start? Energy guys! Energy! Pwede ba tayo mag-start? Yes! Okay, sige na. Okay. So, ito.
We would like to thank our sponsors, Kiara Oconda,
Mr. Luis Carlos S. Salazar,
Miss Ashley Samelia,
Miss Joelyn Pizarra,
Mrs. Imelda Isidro,
Mr. Lina S. Soto,
Dr. Eduardo Marquez,
Mr. Florence Pisaet,
Yuki Tauro, C. Fraternity,
Ms. Kay Josue,
Miss Chris Norma Orson Liberia,
Miss Elerita Di Sevilla,
Mr. and Mrs. Rufino, and First Miss Bebele,
Mr. and Mrs. Pelino, Yolanda Sase,
Mr. Patricia I. Gonzalez,
Mr. Conrad C. of Lucky 7, Cable Television,
Miss Alicia M. Lama,
Mr. and Mrs. Arnel Vitas Caldo,
Miss Lucila Perlas,
Miss Emeline Arroyo,
Miss Elsa Rehensa,
Miss Karina Pundoy,
Attorney and Former Councilor Maberto Asuncion,
Miss Veneranda Sapungan,
Miss Gina Natal,
Miss Odea ay Lugato,
Ava Green,
and Apa Prince. Yeah, so daw natin yung sponsors. So, start na tayo ng easy round.
Easy round.
So, this is the final round. Okay. So, like what Ronnie said earlier, before me, alam niyo yung rules, di ba? Alam na ba natin yung rules?